welcome. I'm Chef Peter, professional trained chef. Today I want to show you how to make an Albanian Borek. What we start off with is 1/2 white onion, finely diced. And we're going to saute that in a pan and add a pound of frozen chopped spinach to it. We want to saute that everything very nicely together. That will be our filling for the Borek. We add some salt and pepper. And just let it sit for a couple minutes here so it can nicely saute. We don't want too much liquid in it, otherwise our Borek will get too watery. Now while our spinach is sauteing in the pan for our Borek, we can start preparing the phyllo dough for it. We got 1 whole sheet of phyllo dough and we want to cut it in half. So we have a square baking dish which we brush with some olive oil. We want to nicely brush it on every side. So our Borek doesn't stick to it. Then we have a 1/2 cup of milk and 1 whole egg, which we're gonna slightly mix together. We added a pinch of nutmeg to it and a little bit salt. So now we take the first sheet of our puff pastry. You have to do it sheet by sheet, or like 2 at a time. It's a good amount too. You take 2 sheets, put them in your dish and brush them with milk and egg mixture. You want to have it all covered, the whole sheet. And then you take the next one and put it on top and repeat the process again by brushing it. Now we got our spinach nicely sauteed with the onions. We can start filling our Borek. We got our layers with the phyllo dough, slightly brushed with the egg and milk, and we put our spinach on top of it. You want to nice evenly spread it out and then top everything with 1 cup of feta crumbles. Then we start with the process and taking the other half of our phyllo dough sheets and put them in on top and did it like we did it before by brushing it with milk and egg. Now we got our Borek all in our fire resistant form and all the phyllo dough brushed with egg and milk. We're gonna add the rest of our feta cheese on top and gonna bake that in the oven for about 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Welcome back. Our Albanian Borek was in the oven for about 20 minutes. It should be golden brown and ready to serve. Let's take a look. And here we go. We got our beautiful Albanian Borek.